Thanks a lot, Katie. The 10-year-old boy whose face and name became nationally known after the Lee County Sheriff released his arrest video online tells the judge he's not guilty of threatening a school mass shooting.
That came moments after a family spokesperson tells Fox 4 he rejected a plea offer here. Fox 4's Shari Armstrong reporting that spokesperson says prosecutors offered it as an alternative to going to trial. Shari.
That's right, Nadine. The family spokesperson says they rejected the state attorney's offer for the 10-year-old to go to a diversion program instead of trial. Now, Fox 4 continues to not show the child's face or name because the sheriff's office released this arrest online, so it's likely to remain on the internet without the case's outcome. And he's not been convicted of the school threat he pled not guilty to today.
As a friend of the court, on behalf of the child, enter a not guilty plea on his behalf.
That not guilty plea for a 10-year-old coming weeks after this late May, now viral arrest video was released online. This moment came weeks after the Lee County Sheriff's Office showed his face and name online, saying right after Uvalde, the boy referenced a school field day when he texted, quote, "Get ready for water day," and they tell us included some gun and money pictures.
There was never a threat made. He never threatened to hurt or injure anyone.
Outside of court, the boy's dad, Derek Marquez, continued to claim his son never made a threat.
Just children say things that don't make sense.
Marquez says that means his son made this up, claiming he'd get a hold of a, quote, bazillion dollars and buy guns. And his father claims LCSO deputies had their own interpretation when they looked through the messages themselves.
Actually, they laughed about it a little bit when they were reading the text messages because it was an absurd number.
He was arrested and detained for engaging in protected speech.
By the family side, Letitia Kim from the group FAIR, the Foundation Against Tolerance and Racism, says she believes the sheriff's office releasing the arrest video violated the 10-year-old's rights.
Do not put 10-year-old children through this absurd ordeal for your own political agenda.
Sheriff Carmine Morcino's office again referencing his statement last week, in part saying, quote, "Any threats made, real or fake, will be immediately investigated and taken seriously." Similar to what he told Fox 4 days after the arrest.
I'm going to be known as the sheriff that is consistent with his message of no nonsense, zero tolerance, and also the sheriff that is doing everything possible to tell parents and guardians that we're here to help you.
I feel like it's frustrating because he's 10 years old. He didn't do anything wrong. It should be clear. Common sense should tell you there's nothing here and have a good day. But that's not what's happening. They're not using common sense, and it's baffling.
So viewers might be wondering right now what comes next, right? So the next court date is set for August. Letitia Kim, the woman who we heard from that FAIR program, did tell us there are plans to make a motion to dismiss this case, but she just wasn't sure when that's going to be filed. We will continue to keep you updated, of course.
Very interesting turn of events. Thank you, Shari. Appreciate it. We'll keep